Hello everyone. I have a BMW 2011 328 xdrive. This is part 3, checking my fuel injectors ohms to make sure that they all have the same consistent ohms. So here we go. Gonna test it. So I'm gonna test the first one. This one reads 11.5 ohms. So what you do is put the leads to each one of the connectors on the fuel injector itself, and put the ohm meters in ohms, and you do the same thing for each one of them, and you find which one is the ohms is probably not in the same as the other ones, so that should tell you that the injector should be bad. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna check each one of them, and I already checked them, so they're all the same, they all read the same, so my injectors are good in this area. But any comments, I appreciate it. Thank you. Bye.